Nice big rain happening here in Houston today, and we need it. I'm lucky. I just came home from the store picking up things for New Year's Eve. A little fish, and I can't remember what else, but not naughty stuff like chocolate. I already have that. Look at this rain though. Woo! It's really coming down. Oh gosh, those poor people walking in the rain. Oh well. It is what it is. What it is, what it is. Woo! We'll look back toward the medical center. Aha! You can't even hardly see it. Wow, it's really coming down. Good, we'll get a little bit today. And who do we see over here? Well, Miss Kitty, are you gonna see the rain? Sure. Come on, baby. Look at the rain. Yeah. Hi, Shanti. For those who don't know, her name, Shanti, S-H-A-N-T-I, means peace in Hindi. Yeah. If I had a Hindu name, that would be the name I picked for myself. I love it. What you sniffing, honey? Are you looking for bugs? Oh, look, the rain's gone away now. Wow. What do you think of that? Easy come, easy go. Gee, I hoped it would last a little longer than 5 minutes. Oh, it's coming back. You want to sit on the chair, kitty? What you doing? Huh? What you doing, Lola?